I just want to share this as well, because I remember some time ago when President Donald Trump came into office. Then God put me in the spiritual battle with Tiffany Montgomery and Marcus Rogers. Okay, so that I can see the level of spiritual warfare that they go through. Okay, so they stand on the front line, and I also stand on the front line. Okay, but when I see Tiffany Montgomery and Jennifer Leclerc and Apostle Tiffany Buckner in the spiritual realm, I move out of the way, so that they can come past. It's like in the army. Okay, because some of these people, they are giants in the spiritual realm, so when they move in the spiritual realm, they will bump you out of the way. Okay, so like like in the army, the soldiers, they know who's the generals and all that stuff, so they have to honor them as well, the commanding officers and things like that. Okay, same thing in the spiritual realm as well. Also, Pastor Philip Mitchell, God showed me, he's a man that walks in a lot of authority in Christ Jesus. So the